Hey guys, this is Cute Puppy Girl and I'm back with another video. I am the most happiest girl now. At first, I was quite sad. No one told me what to do, but you guys are the best. You told me everything. I wish I was the best YouTuber. I wish I was unpopular. Please subscribe. One of my friends has a lot of subscribers, and I only have 2. I hope I have more. I don't want like 2 subscribers. Please tell everyone in your class or school or any one of your friends, I need more subscribers. You are my best friends. Well, I'm happy because I got civilian families toys for the toilet. I'm quite happy because of that as well. So this is just a good vlog, a happy vlog, and a normal vlog with no trousers falling off. Guys, did you hear that noise though? Guys, stay here, okay? Huh? What just happened? Who turned you on? Someone turned you on. What? What just happened? I think it's my brother. Guys, be right back. Yeah guys, it was just my brother. So, it's just a good vlog, so goodbye.